Kumar Maglawat, Assistant Professor of Modern Institute of Pharmaceutical Science, Indore. Today we discuss about the topic is urinary system, and in the topic micturition reflex. What is micturition? Generally, micturition is the continuous urination in the from the kidney. What is reflex? An involuntary and nearly instantaneous actions in response to a stimulus, mediated via reflex arc formed in spinal cord. It is formed in the spinal cord. The reflex is continuous approaches in the urinary bladder. Definition: a reflex by which urinary bladder empties when it is filled. Urinary bladder is filled by the reflex in the condition of the micturition. So it is a reflex process in adults. It can be controlled voluntarily to some extent. Physiological anatomy of urinary bladder. Generally, urinary bladder is a hollow organ having parts, namely micturition is dependent on the urinary bladder size and shape. Body formed by detrusor muscles. Detrusor muscle is a contracting muscle. It is dependent on the contraction and relaxations of the urinary bladders. Neck, head, trigone, its posterior aspect. Emptying of bladder is mainly guarded by internal and external sphincter mechanism. Its internal and external mechanism is involved in the contraction and relaxations. Internal sphincter completely involuntary smooth muscles, and external sphincter voluntary skeletal muscles. It is dependent on skeletal muscles. Detrusor muscle generally is mainly used for the contraction and expansion in response to the stimulus in the form of the urinary bladder, and hence it is mainly responsible for emptying of bladder. It is a diagram such as peritoneum, bladder, entrance of ureter, lavula ani, urethra. The detrusor muscle is covering the detrusor muscles, obturators, internal sphincter and external sphincter. Internal is a smooth muscle, external is a skeletal muscles. Innervation of bladder. Urinary bladder and internal sphincter are supplied by sympathetic and parasympathetic nerve fibers. Two types of nerve fibers are completed in the urinary bladder. Sympathetic supplies L1, L2. It is a hypogastric nerve. Parasympathetic supplies H2, H3, H4. It is a nerve irrigated such as pelvic nerve. L1, L2 is a lumbar. H2, H3, H4 is a sacral cranial nerves. External sphincter is supplied by somatic nerve fibers. It is dependent on the pudendal nerve. It is called a pudendal nerve. Pelvic nerve also has a sensory fibers which carry impulse from straight receptors present on the wall of urinary bladder and urethra. Pelvic nerve are dependent on the signal from the nerve systems. ये नर्व सिस्टम तक इस सिग्नल को ट्रांसफर करने का काम करते हैं. इसी में रिसेप्टर पाए जाते हैं जो इंपल्स जनरेट किए जाते हैं यूरिनरी ब्लैडर एंड यूरेथ्रा में. इट इज अ डायग्राम. इनर्वेशन ऑफ ब्लैडर सिंपैथेटिक. इट इज H2, H3, H4 और L1, L2, L3. इट इज कंडीशन सोमेटिक वॉलंटरी. द नर्व्स इज पुडेंटल नर्व्स. It is the receptor is a M1, M2 nicotinic and muscarinic receptor. It is mainly receptor for the reflex conditions. Filling of urinary bladder. Urine fills the urinary bladder drop by drop through ureters. When volume of urine reaches nearly 150 ml, first sense of filling occurs. However, a marked sense of filling occurs only at about 400 ml.